Finding the best sublimation printer for heat transfer in 2025 can be challenging. This video will help you make an informed choice. Sublimation printers offer vibrant, durable prints perfect for heat transfer projects. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, choosing the right printer is essential. We have reviewed top models like the Sawgrass UHD Virtuoso SG500, Epson EcoTank ET2800, Brother Sublimation Printer, Epson EcoTank ET15000, and Brother MFC J4335DW. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review and we are covering 5 best sublimation printers for heat transfer 2025 in the market, which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular user use, if you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Sawgrass UHD Virtuoso SG500 Sublimation Color Printer Starter Bundle. The Sawgrass UHD Virtuoso SG500 Sublimation Color Printer Starter Bundle is a comprehensive package designed for those looking to dive into the world of sublimation printing. This bundle includes everything you need to get started, from inks and sublimation paper to blanks tape, and access to exclusive content and designs. The printer comes in a sleek white color and is both compact and lightweight, making it an ideal choice for home or small business use. The Sawgrass UHD Virtuoso SG500 stands out due to its high-quality sublimation printing capabilities, which ensures vibrant and long-lasting prints. The comprehensive starter bundle makes it a convenient option for those new to sublimation, as it includes all the necessary accessories, such as inks, sublimation paper, blanks, and tape. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET2800 Wireless Color All-in-One Cartridge-Free Super Tank Printer. The Epson EcoTank ET2800 Wireless Color All-in-One Cartridge-Free Super Tank Printer with scan and copy is designed to be the ideal basic home printer. With its sleek white color and medium size, it is perfect for home use. The Epson EcoTank ET2800 stands out with its wireless connectivity, allowing you to print from any device without needing a direct connection. This feature is particularly useful in a household with multiple users. Additionally, the cartridge-free Super Tank technology significantly reduces the cost of printing, making it a cost-effective choice for families who print frequently. The all-in-one functionality means you can scan and copy documents with ease, adding to its versatility. Number 3. Brother Sublimation Printer. The Brother Sublimation Printer is a powerful and versatile device designed for high-quality printing needs. Manufactured by Brother International Corp., this printer stands out with its sleek white color and robust build. Its dimensions of 19.1 inches in height, 20.1 inches in width, and 10.8 inches in length make it a substantial yet manageable machine for various printing environments. The Brother Sublimation Printer is an excellent investment for those looking to produce high-quality prints with vibrant colors and sharp details. Its robust build ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable choice for both personal and professional use. The user-friendly interface simplifies the printing process, allowing even beginners to operate the machine with ease. Additionally, the efficient and fast printing speeds help in managing large print jobs effectively. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET15000 Wireless Color All-in-One Super Tank Printer. The Epson EcoTank ET15000 Wireless Color All-in-One Super Tank Printer is a versatile and efficient printer that caters to various printing needs. It offers a range of functionalities, including scanning, copying, faxing, and supports Ethernet connectivity. This printer is designed to handle larger print sizes up to 13 by 19 inches, making it ideal for both home and office use. The printer's white color and compact dimensions, height, 14.3 inches width, 19.6 inches length, 29.6 inches weight, 26.46 pounds, allow it to fit seamlessly into different environments. The Epson EcoTank ET15000 stands out with its wireless capabilities and all-in-one functions, making it a practical choice for diverse printing tasks. Its ability to handle larger print sizes is particularly beneficial for those who need to produce high-quality prints, presentations, and marketing materials. Number 5. Brother MFC J4335DW Investment Tank All-in-One Printer. The Brother MFC J4335DWI Investment Tank All-in-One Printer is a versatile and reliable printer designed to meet various printing needs. This model offers duplex and wireless printing capabilities, making it a convenient choice for both home and office use. Additionally, it comes with up to 1 year of ink in the box, ensuring you won't run out of ink anytime soon. The Brother MFC J4335DWI Investment Tank All-in-One Printer stands out due to its all-in-one functionality, which includes printing, scanning, copying, and faxing. The duplex printing feature allows for automatic double-sided printing, saving both time and paper. Its wireless printing capability ensures that you can print from various devices without the need for physical connections, making it highly convenient. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.